not, you can not call me, don't call me, sorry, but you can email me. Okay, now we come to the next one, students. It's vocabulary. You can see, do these phrases collocate with have, do, make, or take? So we know, students, like collocation are the two words which go along very well together. This we have done in reader, this we have done in grammar, in CA also we have done so many times. So this is what is collocations, when two words go together and they sound very likable with each other, and this is the way we have been using it in English language from a very, just a minute, from a really a long time. So for example, doing dishes. So doing will always go with dishes. Doing dishes means washing the dishes. So we can say washing the dishes, but more appropriate word is doing the dishes. So doing and dishes go well with each other, therefore they are collocations. Similarly, the other word is making the bed. So making and bed go very well with each other, therefore it is making the bed, which means, just putting the bed sheets, everything correctly, that is making the bed. So this is what, so collocations with have, do, make, or take. Okay, so sometimes they can have more than one possible answers. So this is very easy, we'll just do it quickly. Okay, so the first one, a phone call. So you can say make, you can do first thing, students. This also is very, it will need a lot of space. So this thing also you will do in your composition book, or you call it writing skills book. It is one and the same thing. So it's make slash take slash have a phone call. It can have all the things. It can have make, have a phone call, or take a phone call. So this collocation, a phone call can go with make also, take also, have also. Okay. Next, take or have a bath. Both are correct. You have to write both. See, you, if there's more than one answer, for example, take or have a bath. So take, okay, uh, oblique, have a bath. This is the way you're going to write. Okay, take oblique have a bath. Okay, in one line, not like this is the way I am showing you. Okay, not like this in three lines, everything you're going to write it in one line, right? Okay, next, make a cake. Next is take oblique have a chance. Next, have a go. Next, make a mistake. Next, have a party. Next, take a photo. Next, have oblique take a shower. Make an effort. Next, make an excuse. Next, have or make dinner. Okay, and here they have written in the bracket that take dinner. Okay, take dinner is a very old fashioned usage, and it is rarely used right nowadays. Okay, so it is always have or make dinner, have or make fun, take hold of. Next, take part in. Next, do the cooking. Next, do someone a favor. Next, do your best. Next, take someone seriously. Next, take an exam. Next, take a course. Next, take someone's word for it. Next, do work. Next is make sure. Okay, so students, this is a collocation that has a make, take, or have, that has been used over here, right? Now we have corpus part over here. Be careful with the collocations with have, make, do, and take. The Cambridge English corpus shows exam candidates often make mistakes with these. Correct the mistakes that the exam candidates have made in these sentences. So basically you have to check it if they have done wrong or right. The report will decide the 1 month business English course I recently had. 1 month business English course. The report will describe, okay, not decide, describe. I recently had, or I recently took. So this is wrong. It's not had. Near had, it will be took. Okay? Okay. Next, in Italy, you can have a driving test only when you have reached the age of 18. You can have a driving test or you can take a driving test. So have is wrong over here. Okay? Have is wrong over here. So have, instead of have, they'll have take. It's very sensible to take a light breakfast such as yogurt, cereal, bread, coffee, etc. To take a light breakfast or to have a light breakfast, not take. As I told you earlier also, take is a old fashioned way. There are some jobs mainly made by men, but in my opinion this will change in the future. So made by men or done by men, it is never made. Jobs are not made by men, it's done. Okay. We can visit museum, make some pictures and visit clubs without going far from our workplace. So fifth one, take some pictures. Okay, so we can make some pictures or take some pictures. Instead of make, take will come. Okay, I hope that the information will help you to do a decision. I hope this information will help you to do a decision or to make a decision or take a decision. It's not do a decision, it is take a decision. Okay? If clients are annoyed, they will not make business with us. It is therefore vital to add more phone lines. It is not, they will not make business with us. Not at all. They will not do business. Make will not come. Make is wrong. Therefore, it would be good idea for some change. Therefore, it would be good idea to make some change or to do something. Sorry, I said the right one, but actually wrong is given. It was not do, it is make some change. I am writing this letter to correct some mistakes you have done in your article. Correct some mistakes you have made in the article. Mistakes you have done in the article. So done will not come, make will come, students. So okay, so students, this is the part one of this video. So we have completed till vocabulary. Next, what is left? Let me check once. So next, reading is left. Yes. Students, as homework, you all can read page number 42. You can read page number 42. The green thing that is given, wait, I'll just show you, otherwise you will be confused, so that your work the other day becomes easier. Okay, whenever we are doing something, whenever we are trying to do it. Okay, so actually it takes page 42 and 43 together. This is a screenshot of the PDF, so it cannot be taken. So yeah, so it's this. So you can read this article and be ready. Okay, read it and be ready, so that whenever we do something we are ready with it. So we have the reading part, and exam folder 3 is left. So two parts are left, in we'll cover that in part 2. We'll do that on Monday. So this is a doubt clearing session. This was the doubt clearing session for lesson number 6 or unit 6 of CAE, and the name is connections. So I hope you all have understood this. If at all you all have any doubt, and please let me know whether you all are understanding it, because this is not a live class where I will be able to understand whether you all are understanding it or no. Please let me know in the comment section that you all are you all understanding, especially for 8th grade. This is little bit old because they had the same book and they have done it already. So might be they might have some doubts, but it's okay. But for 7th grade students, you all please comment down and tell me in the comment section that you are you all understanding anything. If you all are understanding everything, very good, I'm very happy. But at least let me know down in the comment section whether you all are understanding everything or no, especially the 7th graders, please. Okay. And if you all are not understanding, are you making a point to email me so that I can clear your doubt? Or you all are commenting, please don't comment your roll numbers just for the sake of commenting. Okay, you have to watch the video till the end, because some students ask me some uh, doubts that I have actually given in the mid of the video. It means that they have watched starting 5 minutes and later they did not watch it, and therefore they are the doubts are arising, right? It means that there are so many people who have messaged me really funny things, right? I'm not saying that you can't message me or can't email me, but at least watch the whole video. Y'all are not watching the whole video, y'all are watching first 5 4 minutes, and I have the whole analytics of the video. You know how many minutes y'all, each one of y'all have watched. I can share that with you. And wait, I'll just share it with you now only. You see, I'll just share it with you now only. Where it is? Yeah, it's here. This, not this one. This is too personal, but then it's okay. I'll share it with you. Yeah. See, students, you can see on my screen this video. If I take, not this, sorry, this is a doubt. This is a CAE video. You see, students, average time duration, how much you all have watched? 5 minutes. If average is 5 minutes, it means you all are watching only 15 minutes of the video, right? Only 15 minutes of the video you all are watching. You all thought I'm lying, but you see over here. Okay. And earlier, typical watch duration was of this video 1 to 2 minutes only. So is this the way? Is this the way? I don't think. This is not the way. You all are just watching little videos, 5 5 minutes, 4 4 minutes. You see all these CBSE CAE videos. Let's go to this analytics. This has only 3 minutes. You see over here, students, only 3 minutes you all are watching. Average view duration is 3 minutes. That means you all are watching 6 to 12 minutes video, and the video total is of 40 minutes. Okay, it might be little bit less or little bit more than that. That's not an issue, but the average time duration of each video that we make and send all the teachers is 40 minutes. In that, in the analytics, it is showing only 3 minutes is the average duration. That is why when you all don't watch the whole video, in first 3 minutes only you all watch it, and you all start questioning me and emailing me the questions that are so dumb. I'm so sorry, but I had to tell this. So I want your view duration to increase. Okay, from there itself I come to know that you all have not watched the video. You all are just playing fool. Okay, please don't play a fool. You are only fooling yourself and your parents. Okay, you know the time is tough. At least you can study. The earlier what used to happen, the class is done and everything is done. Okay, once there was a revision, worksheet revision, everything used to happen. But now you have the whole lectures in your hand. YouTube is one such platform where you all are getting to revise. You can go in that, even 3 months ago, if I have taught something, you can go again over there and you can rewatch the videos and revise it. in Zoom call and all these things you don't get this facility, but in YouTube once the video is uploaded it is forever there. Okay, so it is in your hand, so you should do more study, because like that you love playing games and you love watching things on your mobile phone. Now we are giving you mobile phone to watch, then also you are not watching the whole video, you all are only watching first 5 minutes, you all saw that. I don't think the videos are so boring. Okay, I understand CA is little difficult. It is very lengthy, but at least try to watch the whole. How you'll sit in the class, students? You'll sit in the class for whole 1 hour. Earlier, last year, if you remember, 1 hour period used to be there. So how y'all sat there? How y'all paid attention? How y'all answered? How y'all completed your notes? So why not here? Here you are at your home, you're doing nothing, you just have to watch the video and little we are giving you all to write. There's not very much homework like it used to be last year. So please, okay, please don't do all these things. Please watch the whole video, please do whatever the teachers are telling you, and do not panic and don't take a lot of stress on your head. Just watch the video, you have doubts you can ask. Okay, and keep exercising and keep only eat healthy things and drink water and wash your hands, sanitize everything. Okay, students, hope you enjoyed this video with me. We'll meet in the next video, students. Until then, take care of yourself and also of your family. Bye.